Many people believe that lemon juice is a miracle cure for skin problems, but is it really that simple? This common assumption stems from the myriad of health benefits that lemons are known to offer. From their antioxidant properties to their vitamin C content, it's easy to see why lemons have become a popular natural remedy for various skin issues. However, when applied directly to the face, lemon juice may not be the panacea it's often thought to be. But before you rush off to squeeze a lemon onto your face, let's delve into why this might not be such a good idea. Lemon juice is highly acidic, and your skin, well, it isn't. With a pH hovering around 2 or 3, lemon juice is a stark contrast to the natural pH of our skin, which stands at about 5.5. This difference in pH levels means that applying lemon juice directly to your face can disrupt the skin's barrier and leave it more susceptible to irritation and infection. But what does this mean in practical terms? Well, potential side effects of this citrusy skincare approach could include skin irritation, with symptoms like dryness, redness, peeling, and even burning. Plus, lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun's UV rays, raising the risk of sunburn. Even worse, there's something called phytophotodermatitis, a skin reaction that can occur when citrus fruits meet sunlight. The result? Swelling, redness, and blister-like patches on the skin. So, the burning question remains: is there a safer way to use lemon juice for your skin? If you're still keen on using lemon juice for your skin, there is a safer way to do it. It's all about balance and moderation. Instead of applying lemon juice directly to your skin, consider diluting it first. Mixing lemon juice with water, honey, or yogurt can help reduce its acidity and make it safer for your skin. Water is a simple and readily available choice. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant that can help moisturize your skin, thereby counteracting the drying effects of lemon juice. Yogurt, packed with probiotics and lactic acid, can soothe and exfoliate your skin. For those who enjoy a bit of DIY skincare, you can also use lemon juice in combination with other natural ingredients to create a face mask. Turmeric or oatmeal, for instance, can provide additional benefits and help buffer the acidity of the lemon. So, next time life gives you lemons, remember to dilute them. Remember, when it comes to your skin, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So what's the takeaway from all this? Lemon juice, while a natural ingredient with health benefits, can disrupt our skin's natural barrier, leading to irritation, dryness, and heightened sun sensitivity. But don't fret, there are safer alternatives. Diluting lemon juice with water, honey, or yogurt, or combining it with other natural ingredients like turmeric or oatmeal can make a world of difference. Share your experiences with using lemon juice on your skin in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insights. Remember, your skin will thank you.